Hello. I want you to review these whole numbers. I have two whole numbers written right here. I have 720, 702. And I want you to think which number is greater. Did you choose 720 is greater than 702? You should have 720 as being greater than 702 because you should know that this is 720 and this is 700 and no tens with a 2. So you should know that 720 is greater than 702. Next, I want you to think about this. If Jose earns $42,175 per year, and Mara earns $51,275 per year, who earns more? That's a 5. And I know that 51,000, because this is 50,000, 1,275. This is 40,000, 2,175. And I know that 5 is greater than 4, so Mara earns more than Jose. Now I want you to think of this idea, and we are going to compare our fractions, and I want to know what fraction is bigger and what fraction is smaller. So I'm going to draw two circles, and I'm going to try my best and make them even, and we're going to imagine that these are the same size. So I'm going to draw 4 parts in one circle. So remember, each part is 1/4 to make 4/4 or a whole. And in the other one, I'm going to draw 8 parts. We're going to try our best to imagine that all of these parts are equal. So I have one, I'm going to redraw this one. All right, so I have another circle. I'm going to draw 8 equal parts. Equal-ish, trying my best. Okay. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So I know that each one of these parts is 1/4, and each one of these parts is 1/8. Now, I want to know which circle has larger parts. 1/4 is larger than 1/8. And how do you know? So, if I think of my parts as 1/4 and 1/8, we are going to develop this idea between number of parts and size of parts. I want you to use your fraction circles as we work together on this next page while we use our black circle as our unit. But first, before we start our next page, I want you to look back at this picture and remember how we said 1/4 is bigger than 1/8, and you know this because this piece is a lot bigger than this piece, and this is 1/8 versus 1/4. So now in our next video, we are going to work with student page A, and we're going to do some of it together. So go ahead and get student page A. It should look like this. Lesson 6, student page A, and we are going to work on that together in the next video.